In this video, we're going to show you how to make this adorable butterfly dimensional quilt block. Super easy and just is a class fun quilt to make. I think the video will really help you succeed. Come to our website, www.thimble-art.com, and see more patterns just like this. Butterfly has just a little extra technique. You're going to copy your pattern. You're going to keep these two pieces together, and you're going to first place background fabric to cover both areas of number 1 on the unprinted side, right side away. Then you're going to machine baste where the wings, these V's, meet the seam, and that will transfer to this side. Then I previously made my wings and I've kept those together too. I haven't cut them apart, and I'm going to place the raw edges 1/4 of an inch past that basting, below the basting on the lower one, above the basting on the upper wing, like that. I'm going to pin that to secure it, and to really secure it, I'm going to machine baste in the seam allowance down and back up to really hold those wings together. Now with that basted so securely, I can cut right down the middle on that dashed line, and those wings are secure. Now with the part, I'm going to foundation piece or paper piece these little sides here, the 2s and the 3s. So remember how we do that is we're going to place background fabric along that edge, bring it over so that whole line, trim the extra out of the seam, and then it will fold back and cover that little corner, okay? And I'm going to do that to all 4 corners. Now, after adding these 2 sections, 2 and 3, trimming the extra out of the seam and paper piecing those 2 corners, we cut it out on the outside dash line. Then we're going to remove the paper, and then you put them together and sew them. And what you want to do is kind of hold them like this so that this middle wing or the large wing matches. And they should just match up perfect because it's paper paste done with exactness on the paper. And then at that point, you would hold up the pattern for the antenna. Hold it up to the light and then trace it. We don't trace it before we sew it together because the stitching can throw it off. So when it's all sewn together, then trace the antenna and go to the how-to section. It will show you how to embroider the antenna. And this butterfly just turns out gorgeous.